We know some of our ignition interlock device clients and potential clients have questions, so we do our best to communicate frequently asked questions on our blog and YouTube page. Just subscribe to this YouTube page or visit smartstartla.com/blog for more information on other topics that might be of interest to you. One question we get asked a lot is, what do I need to bring to my interlock device installation? The main answer is simply a photo ID and vehicle registration are preferred, but they're not required. The ignition interlock device installation process is super easy. We'll make sure you fill out all of your required Office of Motor Vehicle and Monitoring Authority paperwork. Our certified technicians will install the unit. You'll be trained on all device use and functions. And you'll watch a short video. That's it. You'll be back on the road in no time.